You are listening to the Brilliant Events and Venues podcast, the podcast for savvy event professionals who want to learn unique ways to engage attendees at events, cool places to host them, and everything in between. Hello, everyone. My name is Shantae, and I'm a project manager for SCANtrivia. I wanted to take a quick moment to let you know about SCANTrivia gamification. Gamification has been defined in many ways by many companies who provide this service to their clients, as well as by corporate subject matter experts. It has replaced social media as the new buzzword, and its meaning is quickly being honed by trailblazers who paved the way, making the word a ubiquitous corporate term for early adopters to exploit in their blogs. In other words, the box has been created and gamification is being stuffed inside. Although gamification has been coined as a word to represent a process that involves game-like components that integrate a targeted set of mechanics for a specific user group, we feel flexibility is necessary in order for those mechanics to resonate with the end user. Therefore, we address your project needs by taking into consideration your collective body of attendees and corporate culture before assessing the best game mechanics and components for your event. We can list the popular game elements such as points, badges, levels, and leaderboards along with their mechanics, but I'm sure you have learned all about them doing your research on gamification. We'd rather focus on how effective these elements can be when they are assembled in a manner that delivers optimum results. Whether you aim to drive traffic to exhibitor booths, increase sponsor interaction, or attendee networking, our platforms are flexible enough to satisfy each stakeholder. If you are looking to increase attendee-to-attendee engagement, make sure to check out the SCANTrivia interactive networking badges. Looking to engage attendees with sponsors? Check out the SCANTrivia interactive game wall. And remember, SCANTrivia reinforces conference presentation content, is a great icebreaker, and creates ROI opportunities through resale and sponsorship real estate. Make sure to visit our website to learn more about ways that we can help you with your events. Then click on the contact page to contact us to discover your event with a team member. Increase attendee engagement at your events with Scavenger's game-based mechanics. Learn more at scavengerhunt.biz or give us a call at 800-975-5161.